everybody.
Oh, shit, morning.
Well, 12:03. Juan got me. 3 minutes. Afternoon. We're on our way, hour and a half trip, not far, to a waterfall that we've never been to near Sisaket, Thailand. We just got done lunch and getting Juan a new driver's license. Yesterday, new credit cards. New everything for the phone she lost. New phone? No, not yet. That's another sore subject. But today we decided to go out and go see something. And that's where we're heading. Hopefully it's pretty interesting to show you guys. Okay, check back in.
Wow.
It's okay. Look, both sides. Slow. Too fast. It won't focus. Wow, I never knew this was here, close to home. Close to us.
What is that place?
Is it a lake? Look,
Lake, yes.
it's huge. All there is a road. We're in the middle of it.
Wow.
This is huge.
What is the name of this?
Look at that mountain over there. We're not even an hour from
What have some out there?
Huachang. Fishing rods, them boys. We're living in the right place to go fishing.
That's your house. Green roof.
Dream house.
Green roof.
A little boat tied up. Get up every morning, paddle out, catch dinner, lunch. Simple.
What is the name of this lake?
No idea. We're done. So, got a 500-kilometer walk to the waterfall, and this is all guarded by military, and there was no camera, no photography allowed, so I couldn't show you guys, but they have M16 rifles. There's a whole base here because we're so close to Cambodia once again, and there's nobody here. Once again, everywhere we go, we're the only tourists around. But so far, this is pretty nice. Alright, we'll show you when we get there. We're still hiking. We just went past the crossroad. One road went up, this one went down. We're guessing the down road. No sign to which way the waterfall is. And yes, for all you guys that have been watching the videos, someday I'll buy a new camera with anti-shake. Sorry for the shaky walking videos, but we're poor right now. Wow. I find it. Soldier said not much water, dry season, not the rainy season.
Ooh.
But like the last waterfall we went to, same thing. Never any wildlife. No birds, no squirrels, no snakes, no nothing. Always devoid of wildlife. Alright, I'm going to take some still photos. I'll attach them to the end of the video. Ciao for now.